Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book long stays on the Accor ALL application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below that can be found in the left side corner of the screen. Then click on the long stays button in the more experiences section. Tap on accept all. Then you should select where are you going, so you can type it in into the search bar. So type in your destination. Then add your dates, the arrival, and then the departure too. But you can also select it on this calendar below. And after that you will be able to see all of the options. As you scroll down, you can also choose from apartments, studios, villas, bungalows, homes, rooms, and so on. So just tap on the relevant one that you are interested in to get to know to. This place here, you can check it out, homes in London. So tap on one of the stays that you are interested in, and then you can book it easily. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.